So children, we discuss about this keyboard. Yes or no? So in this chapter, that is our. So children, in this chapter, that is more about keyboard, we learn about all the keys. Yes, alphabet keys, number keys, then cursor control keys, punctuation keys, and all the special keys. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So see in page number 28 they given a recap zone. Just we'll go to that and we'll solve the exercise question answers. Okay. The keyboard is an input device with many keys used for entering data into the computer. Yes, we know that it is having a more keys. Yes or no? On the keyboard there are many keys. Yes. So this is your first point. What is the next point we learn? The keyboard layout is called as a QWERTY keyboard layout. Yes or no? It is KWERTY. That is your first alphabets which is there on a first line. Yes or no? I explain you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That we learn. Next third point. The alphabet keys are used to type the different words. There is one set of such keys. Yes. We are using the alphabet keys for the typing of words. And there are only one set. The number keys are used to type the numbers. There are two set of such a keys. Yes, there are two set of number keys and we are using that keys for the typing of a number. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
For alphabet, the alphabet keys we are using for the typing of words and number keys we are using for the typing of numbers. Okay, next the function keys are used for performing some specific functions. Yes, every function keys have a special function. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay. Next, the backspace keys is used to remove any character present to the right or left. Backspace key.
Left.
And what about the delete keys?
Left.
Yes, there is a difference between your backspace and delete key. We are deleting the or we are erasing the letter or any character by the left side through backspace. But for right side it is through delete keys. Yes or no? Yes. So the backspace key is used to remove any character present to the left of the cursor and the delete key is used to remove any character present to the right of a cursor. Yes, there is a difference between your backspace and delete keys. Next comes your space bar. The space bar keys is used to put a blank space between two letters or a numbers. Yes, we are giving the space between two words or two letters or two numbers by using the space bar. Next, the enter key is used to place the cursor at the beginning of the next line. Yes or no? We are using the enter line to go through the new line. Or you can call it as a next line. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is a function of a enter key. Next, the caps lock key is used for typing the capital letters. What is the use of a caps lock key here?
The capital
Yes, for the typing of a capital letters, we are using the caps lock key. If it is off, then
small letter T.
it will come in a small letter. Which key we are using except caps lock key to type a capital letters? Yes, we are using the shift key. This is the next. The shift key can be used for typing the capital letters as well as the upper character of the keys. Whichever there is an upper character on the keys that we are type by using the shift key. Next, your home. What is the use of a home key?
The home key takes the cursor to the starting of the line.
Yes, we can go to the starting of a line by pressing our home key. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Next comes your end key. What is the use of an end
The
key?
end key is used
To move the cursor to the
to
end. Yes. See, home key and end key. Home it is for the starting of a line and end key is to the end of a line. Next, control key. What is the use of a control key?
Is used in combination with alphabets, serves as shortcuts for performing various functions.
Yes, we are using this control key for performing a shortcuts method. Okay. With the control keys, we have to press other buttons also. The buttons means it is keys to shortcut. Okay. Next, every key in the keyboard has a specific function. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes. Every key is having a special function there.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Total, how many keys are there?
Total standard 104 keys are there in the keyboard.
Yes, there are 104 keys are there. And these all 104 keys having a different function. So in this keyboard, we are performing how much functions?
Specific function.
How much function we are performing now? How much keys are there?
There are 104 keys.
Yes. So we are performing here 104 functions on your keyboard. So how many keys are there? That many functions we are performing.
104.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
How many keys are there on a keyboard? That many functions we are performing on a keyboard. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we are performing a 104 functions. Next, page number 29. They given their assessment zone. We'll solve that now. You have to answer me. Okay. If you have any doubts still now, you can ask me now about any keys. Before going to the assessment, clear your doubts. All function is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
For everyone it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If it is clear, then you only answer me this assignment zone. Okay. Because it depends on all the functions of the keys only. Okay. First one, choose the correct answer. This key erases anything typed on the left side of the cursor.
Backspace.
Backspace key. So which option is correct?
D.
Yes, it is the answer. It is correct. Mark there as a D as an option. Mark there. In your textbook, take a pencil and mark there only. Done? Next, second one. The dash key is used to move the cursor to the next line.
Enter key.
Yes, it is you are using the enter key. Option B. Okay, write on the answer. Mark the answer as a B. Next, third one. This key shifts the cursor few spaces forward. Shift keys. Sorry. This key shifts the cursor few spaces forward. Yes, we are using a tab key to move the cursor to the some space. See, space bar it is only one letter, but for a few spaces means we are using here tab key. Yes or no? Okay. It is the next. Tick the correct statement and cross out the wrong one. Okay. You have to make it as a true or false. First one, the backspace key removes character to the right of the cursor. Is it true?
Wrong.
What is the correct answer? What is the correct answer?
False. False. It's wrong.
Instead of right there, if it is the left, then
Ma'am, backspace key removes the character to the left of the cursor.
correct. Instead of right, if there is a left, then it is correct. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
third one is now.
What?
Check the answer of the third one. Now,
Choose the correct answer you are asking me.
yes, sir. Third one.
Third, it is tab key. Option C, it is correct. Okay. Next, in choose the correct. Sorry, tick the correct statement. It is second. There is only one delete key on the keyboard. There is only one delete key.
Correct.
Total how many delete keys are there?
Two delete keys.
There are two delete keys. So the answer it is wrong. So put there is a wrong. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, third one. The enter key can be used to type the upper character present on some of the keys on a computer keyboard. We're using enter key.
False, ma'am. That is
Then which key we are using here?
the upper character is present on some of the keys on a computer keyboard.
We are using here shift key. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So the enter key it is wrong. So put there as a wrong. Next, fourth one. The home key takes the cursor to the end of a line.
False, ma'am.
What is the correct?
Ma'am, the home key takes the cursor to the start of a line.
Yes, we are going to the start of a line by pressing the home key. So the answer is it is wrong. Then which key is uses the cursor to the end of a line?
End key.
Yes, we are using here end key. Correct. Next, fifth one. The shift key can be used to type a small letters.
False, ma'am. False.
Why it is false?
Because
Hmm?
when we learn the caps lock key,
Yes, we are using here a caps lock key of to type a small letters. Next, sixth one. The spacebar is the longest key on the keyboard. Is it true?
yes, ma'am. Two.
Is it true? Yes. Make the answer true. Okay. Over.
Yes, ma'am.
Next. Sixth one. It is fill in the blanks using the words given below. In box, they given the words. They given words as a delete, shift, number lock, caps lock, and in. Okay, using these 5 words, you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, first one is the dash key is used to remove the character to the right of a cursor. Through right, which key we are using? Yes, it is delete key. Write on the answer as a delete. First one answer it is delete. Next, second one. The dash key should be turned on when we want to type a capital letters. Yes, it is caps lock key. Write down the answer as a caps lock key. Write down the answer, second one, caps lock key. It is already given in the box. Just copy it there. Next, third, to type the character, we should press the dash key with this four number key. Because this symbol, whatever they given, it is upper. Yes or no? Yes or no? It is an upper character of the same number 4.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. So to type that character, we have to use your shift key. Yes or no?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Write down there as a shift key. Write down the third answer it is shift. Over.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, fourth one. The dash key should be turned on to use the numeric keypad. It is number lock. Yes. Write down their answer. Number lock.
Page number.
Who is asking me page number now? What's your name? The dash key is used to place the cursor to the end of a line. Okay, right on the end, because we are using the end key to move the cursor to the end of a line. Over?
Next is that's
Okay. So your answer came as a fill in the blanks. First it is delete key. Second it is caps lock key. Third one it is shift key. Fourth one it is number lock key. And fifth one it is end key. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next comes your page number 30. Open page number 30. Here they given some activity. Here you have to color. That you have to do it your textbook itself. That is you have to color according to the color code they given. Okay. What is the color they given for alphabet keys?
Red.
Red. For the number keys?
Green.
Number keys. Shift key.
Green.
Shift key.
Yellow.
Function key. See for a number keys and the function keys they are given it is a green only. But for the number keys it is a light green and for the function keys it is a dark green. Okay. Next for a cursor control keys pink and for a home key.
Blue.
So here you have to color it. You have to color that. Okay.
And the color.
Okay, everyone muted now. Gumte, mute yourself. Don't unmute yourself for now, Gumte. I'm going to ask this question for, okay. I will call the names. That person have to answer me. This question answers. Is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So mute yourself, everyone. Everyone mute yourself. Renula Kadalkar, are you there? Kadalkar, are you there? Okay, you have to answer me the first question, okay? No one going to unmute yourself, huh? Only she only have to answer me. How can you type capital letters on a computer screen? What is the answer? How can you type capital letters on a computer screen?
Capture.
1 minute. Let her answer. How fast? We have to use your caps lock key. Yes or no? Yes. We have to keep our caps lock key on to type the capital letters on our computer screen. First one it is over. Now you can mute yourself. Next, second one. How is the backspace key different from the delete key? Wait now, I will call the name. Girish Malali. Are you there? Girish? Are you there? Sunita Patil? Are you there?
Ma'am, can I?
No. Because already you answered that. You know the answer. Uma, can you tell me the answer? Uma?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Can you tell me the answer? How is the backspace key different from the delete key?
The backspace key is used to remove any character present to the left
Okay.
number.
Okay. What is the use of a delete key?
The delete key is used to remove any character present to the right
Yes.
of the cursor.
Yes, there is a difference there. Directions, left and right. So you are using the backspace key to delete the character from the left, and for the delete key we are using for the right side. Yes or no? For backspace key it is left side, and for delete key it is right side. This is the difference between your backspace and delete keys. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we are using the backspace key to delete the character from left, and delete key we are using to delete the character from right. Yes or no? Backspace means left, delete key means right. Next, third one. What is a cursor? Gitanjali Giri, can you tell me the answer? What is a cursor? Gitanjali Giri,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what is a cursor? Only half answer I want that. Third one. You don't know? You not attended the class? Hmm? Ujjwala Patil?
Yes, ma'am.
What is a cursor?
Ma'am, can I tell?
1 minute. Let him tell the answer. Who's know the answer about the cursor?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what is a cursor?
Ma'am, a cursor is a small blinking line on a computer monitor.
Yes. This is a blinking line. When you are typing anything, you are saying there a blinking line. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
That line it is called as a cursor. How can you change the position of the cursor on the screen? Who is going to tell the answer? Shraddha Prasad.
Ma'am, enter key is used to
Not about the enter key. I'm asking you, how can you change the position of the cursor? Yes. Rohini Patel, you can tell the answer now. What is the use of the, sorry, how can you change the position of the cursor on the screen? Which key we are using to change the position of a cursor? Which key we are using? Aditya Chopari, are you there? Yes, we are using the cursor control keys to change the position of the cursor. Yes. Next, what is the use of the enter key? Yes. Yes, we are using the enter key to go to the new line. Yes. So everything is clear now? All question answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Again, for you purpose, there is one activity. Do one thing in your Facebook, that is on your netbook. You have to draw this keyboard, and you have to name and color like this only. Okay? Will you do that? Will you do that?
Yes, ma'am.
All keys you have to color with a different colors. See, for example, for alphabet keys, here they given it as a green, and for number keys they used it as a red. You can use different color also.
Again.
What?
Can you please show me the keyboard again?
This keyboard. You have to draw this keyboard.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to draw this keyboard in your notebook. Okay, first draw this keyboard. After this, I will give you some difficult words with the question and answers. Okay, that you have to write in your Facebook. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, which book?
Computer book?